If you want to log out of Snapchat on all devices or log someone out of your account, you can do so by changing your password. This will force a logout on all devices where your account is currently logged in. So here's how you can do it. Launch the Snapchat app on your phone, then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Now simply scroll down to the password section. You can see the password, then simply tap on it. Once you tap on the passwords, simply tap change password and enter your current password, then choose a new one. Then confirm the new password. This will log you out of Snapchat on all devices, and anyone else who has access to your account will be unable to continue using it without the new password. So, if you only want to log out of Snapchat on a specific device, then you can simply scroll down and tap on Logout and tap Logout again to confirm. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.